Very good evening to all of you. All those who have not yet renamed their phones, can we do so that we know who is in? It will be very difficult to follow the names if you do not have your names displayed. Yeah. Anything miss?
Yes, sir.
Can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Yeah, okay.
Good evening, everyone. P-Square International welcomes you to the virtual ceremony of Acharya Vinoba Bhave Shikshan Samman 2020 on World Teachers Day in recognition of your efforts during these testing times. It's our pleasure to have with us the Principal of Thakur International School, IGCS, and Global Goodwill Ambassador, Dr. Shrenika Joy Chauhan, as our chief guest for the evening. May we have a round of applause for Dr. Shreena Joy Chauhan. Before we start the ceremony, we will begin with lighting the lamp by our chief guest, Dr. Shreena Joy Chauhan, our CEO, Mr. Prasad Shanghai, our planning and communication head, Mrs. Preeti Masuja, and all the dignitaries present here. Now request our CEO, Mr. Prasad Shanghai, to say a few words.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Sneela, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening, Mr. Prashad. I can hear you, but I couldn't hear.
Malvika.
Yeah,
Okay, you
Malvika
couldn't
was
hear
there.
okay.
so sorry about that. I can't hear her at all, but I know she announced my name.
Yes.
So thank you, everyone, for inviting me here,
Yes.
and looking forward to this event, Mr. Prashad, P Square, and to everyone over here. Because it's a great honor to be here in your midst and to see so many educators and so many people over here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening to everybody. I hope all of you can hear me clearly. Yeah.
Yes.
This is Prasad Shingarpure, and I am CEO for P Square International. It's really a big honor for me to share this platform with such eminent personalities like Dr. Shreena Joy Chauhan, Dr. Negi. I don't think she's joined us till now. Yeah, but yes, and we've got Dr. Shilpa Jejurkar, and all of you educators. It gives me immense pleasure to say that, like Acharya Vinoba Bhave, who was considered as a national educator of India, you are also working really hard and doing a wonderful job as educators. And you are really self-motivating yourself during these difficult times. the appreciation that you receive is actually very less for all this hard work that you put in and for all these efforts that you are taking. So I salute all of you for all this good work, and I pray to God that He gives you enormous strength and courage to help you nurture the students and build a future of our nation. Thank you very much to all of you. I will just play a small video of 4 minutes. We will not take much of time. We will just explain to you through the video as to what is P Square and what are we doing. Yeah. I hope all of you can hear us clearly. Great. Thank you. Yeah. We will start the video. Yeah, we've been into the industry for the last 16 years. Our presence has been in Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Nashik, Kolhapur, Bangalore. We are an ISO certified company and we are members of Pharma Global. We conduct state level competitions where students across Maharashtra appear for a written examination. And this is an examination where we are testing the speed and accuracy of the students while they're using the abacus. And they're also imagining the abacus. So they're doing approximately around 100 sums in a span of around 5 minutes. So that's how we test their speed. We also test them for the auditory skills, where we call out numbers.
15, 26, 48, -10, 12, 88, 17, 87, -58, 45, -33, 48, 35, 32, 15, 98, 30, 38, -37, 14, 18, 33, 12, -13. That is.
Okay, this is how students are going to be giving the answers. And the right answer given, 627, where we have one of the children as the winner. These are national competitions that we conduct, where we have more than 1,500, 2,000 students appearing in this event. Team. Our students preparing for the international competition. Now my two pillars of P Square, Reshma Gowdia and Renuka Bendre. Reshma handles the training and Renuka looks after the operation. Trying to encourage students and our teachers on whatever platform we can. Yeah, thank you everybody. Students displaying their trophies. As I said, my two pillars at the international level. So we also give a platform to our students to appear for international examinations. They are winners of the international examination representing India for the abacus competitions. And this is our team, a small team of teachers, hardworking teachers, and then dedicated teachers. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful insight of what P Square has been doing. And it's really mesmerizing to see students calculating with such great speed and accuracy. Wish you all the best in continuing the good work, in nurturing the children, and making them achievers in life. I now request Mrs. Preeti Pasracha to carry forward the ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, Malvika. Good evening to all the honorable guests present here. I feel honored to share teachers' achievements and celebrate on this special day, that is the World Teachers' Day. I would say Happy World Teachers' Day to all of you. We have Dr. Shunila Chauhan as our chief guest. Shunila ma'am, the school reopens every year, but this year, as we know, it is going to be different. So if you throw some light on what would be the effective measures to be taken when the school reopens after COVID-19.
Sure. Well, first of all, a very warm good evening, afternoon, evening to everyone here. It's going to extend into evening. And it's really a pleasure to be here on such an auspicious day. And even as all of us are gearing up to go back to school very soon, you keep hearing different kinds of strategies that we have to follow, different suggestions. And I'm sure that all of us are actively following this up on whether it's in the news or social media from amongst our friends, and we are all gearing up for the same. So I won't take much of your time because I know all of you are eagerly waiting for the next part. But yes, a few things that all of us, I'm sure, are doing, and the rest, it's always good to discuss and collaborate and find out what all we can do to keep the whole place secure for our children and for all of us, for our staff, for our children, for everyone. So apart from the fact that we would be, you know, having all these various measures in place, the first step is that who all are we reopening the school for? So very definitely right now it would not be for the pre-primary and primary children because they are really young and their safety and security is really difficult to monitor because they are so innocent that they do not even realize. There's a very common joke that's been going around in the various, social media is how a child exchanges masks because the print of that mask is more exciting and they like that. So that's just what we were worried about. So pre-primary and primary children being so small, we would not reopen for them, at least right now. And the ones that we would reopen for would be the higher grades, especially as the board children, board exams, whatever be the boards that we are following. In our case, it's a Cambridge school, so we have exams for IGCSE, AS, and A levels that are coming up. We have the March session, and so we would have to call those children for the practical sessions because though we have been giving them simulations to do the ICT practicals or whether it is chemistry, physics, but a certain amount of contact we feel is necessary because it's the first time for everyone. It's not that we've done this before. So we'll have to call them staggered timings and also definitely the temperature that has to be taken and sanitizers at each point after every class. Even equipments would have to be wiped so very often and sanitized. And, these, the whole thing of having a kind of a partition between desks also would have to be followed apart from the distance thing. So our school can follow it. Many schools can, but then there are those with very huge numbers. So our concern is there, where we cannot follow certain things which we could follow in obviously more private schools. So they should take a longer time to open up the schools. Even the dispersal and the arrival that would have to be done needs to be done in staggered timings because we cannot have a crowd. We cannot risk that. The same with the buses. Buses would have to be cleaned regularly each time it makes a trip, and the safety and the the how hygienic the bus workers and the drivers and the ones who are tending to the children are. So these are the measures that all schools are taking to see that the sanitization is done to the utmost. A different kind of budgeting would have to be done because this would impact the cost factor in schools, which brings us back to the fees. So with the situation that parents are facing right now, the complete economic meltdown and crisis, the fee is coming in late. In many places, parents are not able to afford the fees and they have moved back to their native town where they can at least manage. So uh, we cannot even increase the fees, and still the best safety measures have to be provided. So a combination would have to be done of, whether we want to go online for most of the classes, and if you want to have a kind of a hybrid model where we can have a combination. All these things are going to be have to be looked at on a common platform. Make the parents a part of the decision making, so that before schools open, you know, you can ask them, show them that this is what we require to do, this is what we have. There should be complete transparency, and then now let us plan together what is it that we can do best for the children. I think once we do that and we have all the stakeholders talking, then there would be a better chance of getting the best thing done for the children. Because children and staff, everyone is the responsibility of the school, and all have to be equally looked after. So apart from the temperature, sanitization, distance, we also have to, make sure that we do not use, if we have ACs in the class, better ventilation can be done by keeping the windows open. Of course, some parents may protest about that too. But once we explain to them this is not about cost cutting, but it's about safety, I'm sure that they would be very supportive. Same with the canteen. Canteen measures have to be stringently followed. We have so many parents who are working that we can't just say we will not operate the canteen. So canteens will need to operate, but with an option that if you want to bring your lunch from home, you're absolutely encouraged to do that, to prevent any kind of sharing and any kind of fear in the fact of parents, because parents are also really scared right now to send the children back to school. I mean, I would be really scared that no, I prefer this online learning to continue because safety is first. And so coming back to the canteen, it's the same thing. Sharing food, sitting together. Are those people in the canteen as hygienic as, say, a mother would be or a father would be getting the meal ready? So these are common things that are facing all the educators, and I'm sure everybody is getting equipped to do that. So all the best to everyone. And we are looking forward to having our lovely children back with us very, very soon. In the meantime, all of you, all the best to continue with your online teaching. You all are doing a wonderful job. I attend so many webinars and I just see all that all the teachers are doing. And my team is absolutely, if I may say so, mind blowing, because they've worked very hard right from March 23rd. As soon as the lockdown started, nobody asked me are we going to have a holiday. Everyone said, now what can we do next? And we started with online teaching. So everyone has worked very hard for that, and I have a wonderful team to thank and the management for this. And so I hope now I can hand it over back to Preeti, and you can continue with the awards. And thank you, Mr. Prashad, for creating this kind of a event and platform for all the educators.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That was really a great insight. Yes, most of the parents keep on saying they will not be sending their children until there's a vaccine out. But then, as you said, if we take certain preventive measures like keeping sanitizers at outside each classroom, washing hands, and the AC temperatures to be taken off, I guess definitely it will help everyone. And staggering the children of secondary section, that is again Great information. Thank you, ma'am. With this, we begin the virtual ceremony of Acharya Vinoba Bhave Shikshak Samman 2020. Shall we begin?
Yeah, Preeti ma'am, you could start
Yes.
announcing the names.
Yes. We first have Dr. Shunila Joy Chauhan, Principal of Thakur International School. Dr. Shunila has been conferred the honorary D.Lit in January 2020 by the International Peace University. She believes that teachers are facilitators who can ignite the spark in the impressionable minds of children. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Prashad sir and Preeti and the entire team of P Square. Thank you very much.
Our pleasure, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Dr. Seema Negi, Principal of Sanjeevni World School. If we can see Seema ma'am around. Yes, she has a legacy to leave behind in the form of successful students who are an asset to the society. Seema ma'am takes pride in training teachers to balance out between technology-driven and value-based education. Her success mantra is for the students, with the students, by the students, always. That's such a nice slogan. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations, ma'am. I guess Dr. Seema is busy. We will flash the certificate once again. Are you there, ma'am?
Excuse me, pardon me, on behalf of Seema ma'am, I would like to say that she has conveyed her apologies because she got locked out due to network issues, and she has conveyed her best wishes and congratulations to everyone, and she has said humble gratitude to P Square International and Prasad sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We have Dr. Shilpa Jejurkar, Principal of Ambar International School. She is an academician and ardent social worker since last 25 years. Congratulations, ma'am. Do we have Dr. Shilpa here? Okay, next we have Anahita Dalia, the founder director of Flashomania Mumbai. She has got an opportunity to work with 275 plus educators with whom she conducted sessions free of cost to ensure that education doesn't come to a stop even during these tough times. That's nice. Congratulations, Anita ma'am. We have Payal Irani, special educator with Bloom Center for Excellence in Education, Training, Development and Research. She has been facilitating, coaching, volunteering, and contributing to the best of her capacity. Congratulations. We have we have Reepa Kakkar, a special educator, Sanjeevni World School, Mumbai. She works in confidential setting with individuals who are experiencing personal difficulties, empathizes and encourages them, thereby helping them to be an empowered individual. Congratulations. We have Shreyansh Patel, special educator, Sanjeevni World School, Mumbai. He helps everyone to bring education on digital world, especially from the school level. Congratulations. We have Vandana Shri Mankar, special educator, Sanjeevni World School, Mumbai. She works as a counselor with Sanjeevni World School. Congratulations. We have Aarti Bhatija. She works as a teacher with Thakur International School. She understands and motivates her children and teach them to value and respect. Thank you and congratulations, Aarti. We have Alka Subhash Mule, teacher in Mule classes. She has trained hundreds of pupils in abacus learning and other academics, out of which few have topped in state level abacus competitions. Some of them are in the service of society as doctors and social workers, etc. Congratulations. We have Amandeep Kaur, who works as a teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Amandeep is proud that her encouragement and nurturing helps her students to do their best and reach their goals. Congratulations. We have Ananya Pakre, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. As an educator, Ananya is committed to provide her students with the highest possible quality education. Congratulations. We have Ankit Maru, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. He has taught mathematics to around 1,000 students of Cambridge School section in engineering, diploma and degree in the last 10 years. Congratulations. We have Ashwini Jalia, teacher with Amber International School, Mumbai. She believes in encouraging and nurturing students to do their best and reach their goals. Congratulations, Ashwini. We have Bhavna Bhardwaj, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. As a teacher, she tries to find out what her students enjoy doing and then incorporate the same into their learning. Congratulations, Ms. Bhavna. We have Chaitra Shetty, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. She believes in providing students with the highest possible quality education. Congratulations, Ms. Chaitra. We have Deepti Ali, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. She believes in providing the highest quality education to the students. Congratulations, Ms. Deepti. We have Dr. Reshma Raskar Phule, teacher with Sardar Patel College of Engineering, Mumbai. Her research in earthquake technology has helped many countries in making their disaster management policies. Congratulations, Dr. Reshma. We have Falguni Shah, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. She believes in planning lessons in interactive and playway method and activities that will help the child to become independent from an early age. Congratulations, Ms. Falguni. We have Foram Vakani, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. She believes in planning activities which will develop critical thinking in child. Congratulations, Ms. Foram. We have Gitanjali Lohar, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. She has been contributing sincerely since last 10 years to this noble field with all her possible efforts and knowledge. Congratulations, Ms. Gitanjali. We have Harshvardhan Bhagat, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Mumbai. He has introduced an inter-school competition, Geoscope, for making geography more interesting in school teaching. Has also conducted various online sessions for teachers and students. Congratulations, Mr. Harshvardhan. We have Jasmine Atul Matre, teacher with Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. She rigorously keeps her focus on students in the classroom, curriculum, academics, and other aspects of their education. Congratulations, Ms. Jasmine. We have Jayanti Velu Kondar, teacher with Datta Meghe World Academy. Jayanti states that she develops interest among students and has the potential to make her students love abacus. Congratulations, Ms. Jayanti.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have Kinjal Jivani, teacher with Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. As a teacher, her maxim is, education with experiential learning is the most powerful weapon which one can use to change the world. That's a nice thought. Congratulations, Ms. Kinjal. We have Meenu Rathore, teacher with NI School, Mumbai. Her motto has been teaching students with all her education. Congratulations, Ms. Meenu.
Thank you, madam.
We have Michael Stephen, teacher with Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. Michael always ensures that she promotes learning and makes the class interesting using her unique style. So from infrastructure, it has to change to conducive environment. Congratulations, Ms. Michael.
Just excuse me, it's Michelle,
Yes.
not Michael.
Sorry,
Thank
I'm
you.
so sorry. I'm so sorry
Thank
for the
you.
pronunciation. Congratulations,
That's okay.
Ms.
Thank you
Michelle.
so much. Thank you. I'm honored.
We have Ms. Mrinali Arora, Podar International School, Thane. Mrinali has facilitated secondary and senior secondary subjects like English, history, and geography. She has organized various events and made the school newsletter and has worked as an event coordinator. Congratulations, Ms. Mrinali. We have Chitra Pradeep Gijare, teacher with Satyam Academy, Chinchwad. Chitra is a proud abacus teacher and Vedic math teacher who has always seen remarkable changes in the children and has been appreciated by parents for the same. Congratulations, Ms. Chitra. We have Rupali Mandlik, teacher with Amber International School. Rupali works as an activity coordinator. Congratulations, Ms. Rupali. We have Rameshwari Manjrekar, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. She believes in making each child feel respected and loved and creates an environment that engages and educates them more easily. Congratulations, Ms. Rameshwari. We have Saraswati Atish Kamble, teacher with MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul School. Saraswati has been a facilitator for students since few years. Congratulations, Ms. Saraswati. We have Ms. Anita Salok, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. Anita is optimistic, active, organized, and believes in teaching with innovative methods. Congratulations, Ms. Anita. We have Namrata Agarwal, teacher with Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. Namrata works as a deputy head of Sanjeevani World School. She is a great communicator who values the opportunity to work with and provide support to colleagues and acts as a strong positive link between the school and the parents. Congratulations, Ms. Namrata.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you. We have Ms. Priyanka Digambar, teacher with JB Ludhani High School, Vasai. Priyanka is an enthusiastic educator since 25 years. She believes in experiential learning, thereby aiming to holistic development of children. Congratulations, Ms. Priyanka. We have Namita Parthi, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. Namita believes in encouraging and nurturing students, helping them to achieve their goals. Congratulations, Ms. Namita. We have Nipa J. Makwana, teacher with WizKids Academy, Mumbai. Nipa has been serving as an educator since last 15 years. Her abacus and Vedic math students are doing remarkably well. Congratulations, Ms. Nipa. We have Nivedita Manoj Mohite, teacher with Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. Nivedita believes in bringing best out of the students and keeps them connected to real life stories. She also conducts online students for underprivileged students. Congratulations, Ms. Nivedita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm honored.
We have Pallavi Pai, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. She is a facilitator and believes in letting her students to grow and explore things. Congratulations. We have Prachi Parab, teacher with Prachi Academy. Prachi has been teaching abacus and Vedic math since last 12 years, and the students have won prizes at state level and national level competition. Congratulations, Ms. Prachi. We have Rupali Phatak, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. Rupali works as a music teacher. Congratulations, Ms. Rupali. We have Roopvati Narsimha Acharya, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Mumbai. As an educator, Roopvati believes in inculcating moral values in the students. She is looked upon as a role model by her students. Congratulations, Ms. Roopvati.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We have Sadhna Kamble, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. Sadhna is working as an educator since last 13 years. Congratulations, Ms. Sadhna.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Next is Sakshi Sandeep Sawant, teacher with the Education's Bhau Saheb Paranjpe Vidyalaya, Ambernath. Sakshi works as a computer teacher. Congratulations, Ms. Sakshi. We have Sapna Narendra More, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. Sapna is quite optimistic and a teacher since last few years. Congratulations, Ms. Sapna.
Because you don't know when.
We have Sarika Mehta, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Sarika believes in imparting knowledge and shape the future of the learners in the best way. Congratulations, Ms. Sarika. We have Sharmila Sen Gupta, teacher with Amber International School, Thane. Sharmila has been a part of this institution since its inception, providing quality, all-round education to batches over the years. Congratulations, Ms. Sharmila. Next is Shiba Sultan, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Shiba believes in providing highest possible quality education to children. Congratulations, Ms. Shiba. We have Shubhangi Pivalkar, teacher with Sanjeevani World School, Mumbai. Shubhangi's contribution as an educator has been to help the students grow into a good citizen and help them to do their best and reach their goals. Congratulations, Ms. Shubhangi. We have Soni Kapoor, teacher with Pawar Public School, Pune. Soni helps students to grow and instill beliefs in them. Congratulations, Ms. Soni. We have Sonia Sanlas, teacher with Pawar Public School, Pune. So, Sonia believes there should be some spark in a teacher and aims towards happy, smiling faces while learning. Congratulations, Ms. Sonia. We have Swati Singh, teacher with SNBP International School, Pune. As an educator, she believes and has helped nutshelled children to open up and express themselves and enjoy learning. Congratulations, Ms. Swati. We have Tejal Shah, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Tejal develops curriculum and implements different methodologies. She believes in critical thinking skills, writes blogs, and has attended various workshops and seminars. Congratulations, Ms. Tejal. We have Trupti Kamdar, teacher. Yes. We have Trupti Kamdar, teacher from Balmohan Vidya Mandir, Mumbai. Trupti has been teaching abacus and Vedic math since few years and has won first prize for excellent coordination with parents and students in 2018. Her students too have bagged trophies at state level and national level competition.
Thank you,
Congratulations, Ms. Trupti.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have Vaishali Gandhi, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Vaishali, as an educator, believes in keeping her students updated and makes sincere efforts to instill positivity in them. Congratulations, Ms. Vaishali. Next is Vidika Modi, teacher with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Vidika trains teachers and students of the school to adapt online mode of teaching. Congratulations, Ms. Vidika. Ashwini Sandeep Pawar, trainer with Ketki Academy. Ashwini has been working since last 4 years. Congratulations, Ms. Ashwini. We have Dr. Shraddha Kulkarni, a trainer in Sai Balaji Group of Institutes, Pune. Dr. Shraddha believes in showing the path of success to her students and building the skills of future managers. Congratulations, Dr. Shraddha.
Thank you so much. Thanks for that beautiful description, Preeti. And I believe that I hope that I have 2 minutes to speak.
Definitely, please, you can go ahead.
So yes. I believe that there are two kind of people. One that is working hard, and the other set of people who are appreciating. And vice versa, we switch on to one or the other role always. So I'm very, very thankful to P Square team and especially Prasad sir for being that appreciative lot, because I believe that whichever ladder that we are, whatever level that we are, even if we are a fresher and just entered the education sector, or we working here for a long period and do have an experience, whenever we get appreciated for the kind of work that we're doing, it is always motivating and encouraging for us. And thanks for being that, providing us that platform and honoring us for all our efforts. I congratulate all the awardees, and I'm thankful to everyone who is a part of Team P Square. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Thank you, Dr. Shraddha, for your kind words and appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you.
We have Khushbu Joshi Gajakas, trainer with My Guru, My Friend, Mumbai. Khushbu's strength is her passion and believes in delivering new age teaching methods. She is a distinction holder of Cambridge International Diploma for Teachers and Trainers. Congratulations, Ms. Khushbu.
Thank you so much.
We have Ms. Reshma Sachin Gavre, trainer with Krishnai Academy, Mumbai. Ms. Reshma has trained more than 2,000 teachers all across Maharashtra, Jammu, Kashmir, and Nepal for various courses like Abacus, Vedic Math, and memory techniques. She takes pride in teaching blind students of Victorial Memorial in School for Blind. She has conducted more than 100 live demonstrations and has been awarded as Best Moderator, second rank in first All India Moderators Conference held at Chennai. Congratulations, Ms. Reshma.
Thank you so much. Thank you, P Square. Thank you, Prasad sir, and heartiest congratulations to all the award winners.
Thank you.
My pillar. She is the pillar of P Square.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
We have Paromita Chattopadhyay, trainer with Vibgyor Group of Schools, Mumbai. Paromita does quality audits of the study from home online curriculum that was developed in-house to ensure seamless implementation of the teaching learning process. Congratulations, Ms. Paromita.
Thank you so much to the team at P Square. Deeply honored, very, very grateful. This is they say that appreciation is the best form of motivation. I think you people have provided that to us, and we continue to strive very, very hard to ensure that learning continues seamlessly. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have Ms. Pooja, trainer with Parvati Bai Jondale Women's Law College. Pooja works as a trainer since last few years. Congratulations, Ms. Pooja. We have S. Narayan, trainer with Wiz Kids Mumbai. Mr. S. Narayan trains teachers for Abacus and Vedic Math. Congratulations, Mr. S. Narayan. We have Tanishka Prasad Shringarpure, trainer with P Square International, Thane. Tanishka believes in motivating students to learn Abacus and Vedic Math by eradicating their fear of mathematics and trains them to be a winner for life. Congratulations, Ms. Tanishka.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
We have Zankhana Desai, trainer with Thakur International School, Mumbai. Zankhana trains her team, coordinates with management, school heads, and with parents, monitoring and framing the curriculum and its proper implementation. Congratulations, Ms. Zankhana. We have Madhuri Suresh Bagde with Anmol Vidya Mandir, Thane. Madhuri has written something in Marathi. विद्यार्थ्यांना मराठी साहित्याची गोड लागावी याकरिता नामाविद नवोपकामे सत्यात आय एम सो सॉरी राबवते मुलांना लेखन. Madhuri, if you can say this in English for us. Is Ms. Madhuri here? We'll go on to next. We have Gokul Madhukar Atai, Shikshak with Shrimati Savitribai Dhirani Vidya Mandir, Thane. प्रत्येक काम अगदी तडमडीने व प्रामाणिकपणाने करावे, विद्यार्थ्यांना उत्तमतील सर्वोत्तम ज्ञान देणे. Congratulations, Mr. Gokul. Next, we have Dr. Sudhir Suresh Kulkarni, teacher with Oyster English High School, Aurangabad. Dr. Sudhir is involved in many events in his school. Congratulations, Dr. Sudhir. We have Mr. Chandan, special educator with Bangalore University. Chandan is a postgraduate teacher. Congratulations, Mr. Chandan. Next, we have Mr. Binod Kumar Jha, teacher with Radiant International School, Patna. Mr. Binod works as a teacher since last few years. Congratulations, Mr. Binod. We have Machindranath. Yeah, thank you. We have Machindranath Sadashiv Hegde, teacher with Sanjay Godhav at Olympiad School, Sangli. Mr. Machindranath teaches students since last few years. Congratulations, Mr. Machindranath. We have Girraj Prasad Prajapati, teacher with Delhi Public School, Ajmer. Girraj works as a teacher since last few years. Congratulations, Mr. Girraj. We have Tanya Basti, teacher with Shemford Futuristic School, Ambala. Tanya serves as a science teacher. Congratulations, Ms. Tanya. We have Pritika Chadda, teacher with Shemford School, Barara, Ambala. Pritika conducts online sessions. Congratulations, Ms. Pritika. We have Krishna Agarwal, PGT Physics in Devas. Mr. Krishna works as a teacher since last few years. Congratulations, Mr. Krishna. We have Harsha Gajaria Gandhi, who is a teacher with Mount Literia School International, Mumbai. Harsha believes in working in collaboration, and she's a team player and a lifelong learner. Congratulations, Ms. Harsha.
Thank you. Thank you so much, P Square. It's a real honor and gratitude. And yes, of course, it's a booster, as every teacher has just mentioned, and a great motivation in these tough times. Thank you once again.
Thank you. The entire pleasure is ours. Shunila ma'am, if you can say a few words for all the winner teachers here.
Well, I just want to congratulate everyone. And I'm sure that after a very careful process, you have been selected by the P Square team, Mr. Prashad and the entire team. So, I mean, you have already been recognized and awarded, and I want to keep motivating you all to keep on working harder, because you all are the true actual warriors, Corona warriors, as we have been hearing also. And where we were not able to have physical opening of schools and teaching, you got familiar with technology, went into each home and actually taught, made yourself familiar, worked so hard at home as well as with online teaching. So all the best, and thank you for the motivation you've provided, sir. I'm sure each one of us here are truly touched and blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Do we have Dr. Shilpa Jejurkar here now? She was not here some time ago. Is she here?
Hi. Hello, Preeti.
Yes, Shilpa ma'am. So good to see you.
Yes, yes. Actually, I missed the initial part of the program because I was also busy in another conference.
Okay.
So nice to see you. Nice to see Prasad sir. Thanks a lot for felicitating me and my team here. I am very, very happy that on the occasion of the World Teachers Day, we are getting this felicitation on behalf of P Square International. And a big thank you to Prasad sir and to you, Preeti.
Thank you, ma'am.
About Preeti, I would like to say a few words.
Sure, sure.
Your presence is everywhere, you know, because the more I get up and I see, yeah, there is a message from Preeti. Seen you have grown, keeping yourself professionally updated.
Right.
Prasad sir, I think you should keep doing the good work like this. You will get lots of blessings. And I saw your daughter also getting an award today on this occasion, and I'm very happy for that. And let's see, we'll move together. Lots of programs collaboratively we can do with P Square International and Amber International.
Thank you, Shilpa ma'am. If you could share a few words for the winner teachers here and some piece of information for them to look forward for this COVID-19.
Yeah, I think today on this occasion, I think all teachers, entire teachers all over the world, I can say, very good job. Actually, we are the only ones who are keeping everything running so well, because children especially are so jittered. They are feeling so jittered sitting at home from so many years, so many months across, and we are all keeping them occupied somewhere. Some parents are also very happy that children are occupied, though it is online and not offline. Personal touch is not there, but then still, yes, the social caring, sharing, values, everything is being taught online, and hats off to the teachers, because this is the step taken by the entire teaching fraternity across the world. I hadn't thought about the students during this difficult times as well. So, 3 years, all the teachers who have won today, who have got the award today. I'm very happy looking at the efforts the teachers are putting in. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shilpa and Dr. Shunila. Looking forward to much more events ahead in the future. And congratulations to all the winners, teachers present here. With this, I would like Mr. Prasad to come forward for the vote of thanks.
Yeah, thanks. Am I audible?
Yes.
I would like to say something
Sure, please, Payal. Please, you can go
Namaste,
ahead.
everyone. There is one beautiful quote by Vinoba Bhave, which has been very dear to me, and I would like to share with all of you here today. All revolutions are spiritual at the source. All my activities have the sole purpose of achieving a union of hearts. So, my dear teachers, friends over here, whatever we are doing it from heart for the children and for our community. And I thank you for sharing this space, each and every one of you. Dr. Shunila, Mr. Prasad, P Square International and Team Preeti ji. Each and every one of you are beautiful souls and keep on doing what you are doing. Thank you for that inspiration. God bless you all.
Thank you, Ms. Payal. I would request all the teachers present here, if you would like to say a few words, you are most welcome. We keep the platform open for all of you. If anyone wants to speak, few words. Yes, Dr. Shraddha.
Always ready to speak, right?
And we are always ready to hear as well. You can.
That's very sweet of you. Thank you so much. So I just want to say that, you know, whatever goes around comes back. Okay, that's a principle. And Prasad sir, Preeti ma'am, and the entire P Square team, you have not only brought a smile on the hardworking teachers' face, but also the faces of our families and friends and whoever has got to know that, you know, we're going to get an appreciation today, a recognition today. So all those blessings are going to come back to you, and it will actually definitely, you know, give you more honor and more success in whatever activities that you're doing. So keep on doing these wonderful activities ahead. And not only this, but I'm sure the other webinars and so many, you know, different panel discussions that you are actually doing, that is so great. As in, whenever I get time, I come across those video recordings which are available on Facebook. I actually go and you know, attend those and try and understand what are the perspectives. So you have so many eminent speakers who are, you are bringing them together and you're providing them a platform. So it is actually a wonderful job. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, Dr. Shraddha. Anyone else? Vishal, would you like to speak something?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm truly humbled, and God bless each one. And I think we should just continue doing what we are doing. What goes around comes around. So I think when you do good, good comes around. So just continue doing what you're doing and be the beacon of light in this darkness. You know, students look up to us as that light. They look up to us when we are when there's a challenging time. They look up to us and they want to see how we react. And now is the time to show them how do we have to react when we face challenging times. If we just continue doing what we are doing, I think students would watch that, and because they are the best learners when they watch, not when they hear, I think they would always continue facing challenges in life later when they come across challenges, remembering us, remembering the way we put up a good show. I'm sure they too would put up a good show. And that's what is the role of teachers today, not just being in the classroom. So thank you. Thank you. I'm honored. This will motivate all of us to continue doing what we are doing. Thank you, sir. Thank you, P Square. Thank you, Preeti ma'am. Thanks to all. Congratulations to all. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Miss Tanishka Shringarpure, the youngest teacher here with us. If she would like to say a few words. Tanishka, are you there? Okay, we will move on to Miss Jayanti. Would you like to speak something?
Yeah. Thank you so much for P Square International, Prasad sir and Preeti ma'am. I'm really honored today to get such an award for my whatever work I'm doing in this lockdown time. I'm very appreciated that today I'm getting this award by doing such a humble for every children that I'm teaching. I'm truly honored. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Miss Renuka, you would like to share something? Miss Renuka, can you hear me? Yes, please unmute yourself. Miss, yeah, no problem. Miss Anita, do you want to say something? We cannot hear you clearly. Congratulations, Miss Anahata. We move on to Miss Sakshi Sawant if she wants to share something. Miss Sadhana Chogle.
Preeti ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, I had some network issues. Tanishka here.
Yes, Tanishka.
Good evening everyone. It's all the inspiration comes from you all educators. I am really very humbled to have an opportunity to teach. So thank you for the award. Thank you so much.
It's so great to see such a young teacher among yourselves. Congratulations, Tanishka. We have, can we move on to Miss Sadhana Chogle?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, and a big thank you to Prasad sir for providing us such kind of a platform. It's really boosting to us. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Even Reshma ma'am also. Thank you very much. Shraddha ma'am, motivational. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Aditya Rathod. Sorry, is it I guess the name needs to be changed. If I may know your name, please unmute yourself.
Meenu Rathod.
Okay, yes, Miss.
Yeah,
Meenu.
yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, entire team of P Square and Prasad sir and Reshma ma'am. Sir, I'm very happy that I am with this team, with P Square team. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Miss Reshma, you are next. Please say something. Reshma Gowde. Reshma ma'am, you are next.
Thank you. First of all, heartiest congratulations to all of you. Heartiest congratulations to Preeti ma'am, because I've seen your status on Facebook yesterday.
Yes, yes.
You have also got so many awards. So on this World Teachers Day, we are getting awarded, and that is truly, that appreciation makes a difference. So congratulations to everybody, everyone, each and everyone, and we'll keep doing this good work. So it's all of us together will do this, keep doing this work, noble job to educate our children by whatever things we know, and we'll plan to, we'll do our work such a way that they'll be having good citizens, nice citizens of India tomorrow.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Very true. Thank you, Reshma ma'am. We have Miss Ashwini Pawar. Would you like to speak something?
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much this award. And Prasad sir, तुमचंही थँक्यू, कारण तुम्ही मला मनापासून अगदी पुढे नेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. आणि रेणुका मॅम आणि रेश्मा मॅम यांचं तर मी खूप आभार मानेन, त्यांनी मला एवढा मोठा मंच दिला आणि आम्हाला पुढे जाण्याची एक संधी नवीन मिळवून दिली. या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये खूप काही आपलं थांबलं होतं, पण त्यातून आम्हाला पुढे जाण्याची संधी मिळाली. थँक्यू पी स्क्वेअर टीम अँड थँक्यू रेश्मा मॅम अँड रेणुका मॅम. थँक्यू सो मच मॅम.
Thank you. We have Miss Sonia Sanlas. Would you like to speak?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Preeti ma'am, first of all. Because of you, I am attending so many workshops by P Square. Like Corona, हमेशा हम बोलते हैं कोरोना ये कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है, then we can say कि we are blessed. We are blessed due to Corona. We are getting this platform. Right. And every time like live class जो होती है हमारी and online, there is no match, ma'am. So when in between we are attending the workshops and this platform, especially Prasad sir, thank you so much. Now it's boosting our energy. 6 months passed. We are feeling 6 months और pass हो जाएंगे. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And all the teachers, congratulations. Thank you, Prasad sir. And please give us, like I am, one workshop is finished. I'm looking forward. Now I'm sharing these with my colleagues as well. They are also, now they are saying, from where you are getting this information, that coming to Preeti ma'am. Thank you,
yes.
Preeti ma'am.
Please get addicted to all the webinars by P Square.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have Miss Trupti Kamdar.
I would like
Yes, Rupa. Yes.
Yeah, can I speak?
Yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am. We are really thank you for the, giving me. Actually, I'm humbling because this is the first time, and you are really good, doing good work. And the thing is this, by this acknowledgement, we all are really motivated, and we each and every time we wanted to give something new to students. But because of pandemic, we have some limitations now. And through internet, through we have Zoom platform or Google platform. But still, because of network issues, as and when we share our screen, sometimes we are audible, sometimes we are not audible, visible, not visible. In spite of that, we are just giving lectures and involving kids in various activities also. So for this, I would love to share one share. I भी present करना चाहूंगी, if you permit.
Please go ahead.
रास्ते मुश्किल है, रास्ते मुश्किल है, मंजिलें भी मुश्किल है, मुश्किल है, मंजिलें भी मुश्किल है, कितना अटकाएगी हमें जिंदगी। रास्ते मुश्किल है, मंजिलें भी मुश्किल है, कितना अटकाएगी हमें जिंदगी। हम भी देखते हैं, हम भी देखते हैं, क्योंकि हम भी कुछ कम नहीं। Thank you.
Wow, very good, very nice. Miss Trupti Kamdar, would you like to speak something?
Yeah, thank you P Square team and Prasad sir for giving me opportunity to teach online. This is my first time experience to teach abacus and Vedic maths online. And in this Corona time, sitting at home, we are getting bored and more panic after seeing the news and all that regarding Corona and all. So we get opportunity to stay connect with students through online teaching. And I also overcome fear I will also overcome fear of maths, which I was having when I was in childhood period. So thank you so much, Prasad sir, once again giving me opportunity to teach, overcome this my fear. Thank you.
Great. Yes, Miss Renuka, you didn't speak. Yes.
Thanks, Prasad sir, for showing confidence in me, so that can I prove myself. And thanks, Reshma madam also.
Thank you, Miss Harsha Gandhi. Would you like to speak something? Okay, we move on to next, Miss Nivedita Mohite.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Thank you, P Square. Thank you, Prasad sir. कर्तव्य पूर्ति कर रहे हैं शिक्षक इस संकट के समय में। कर्तव्य पूर्ति कर रहे हैं शिक्षक भी इस संकट के समय में। विद्यार्थियों के लिए बनकर प्रेरणामय जीवन, विद्यार्थियों के लिए बनकर प्रेरणामय जीवन। नतमस्तक होकर स्वीकार करती हूँ इस सम्मान को, क्या कहूँ इसके बाद। आपसे ये जो प्रेरणा मिली उसके लिए शत शत धन्यवाद। आपसे ये जो प्रेरणा मिली उसके लिए शत शत धन्यवाद।
निवेदिता, आपका भी धन्यवाद। वेरी नाइसली सेड, टू गुड।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मिस नम्रता अग्रवाल।
Yes, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, you are.
Okay. Yes, it's an honor. It gives me immense pleasure, and I'm truly honored that I'm being bestowed upon with this prestigious award from P Square International. Thank you, Prasadji. Thank you, Shanila ma'am. Thank you, Preeti ma'am. I thank P Square and my principal, Dr. Seema Negi, for recognizing my work. I would like to say that is in this pandemic situation also, an award of this strata is indeed an honor to receive. I congratulate P Square International that they have motivated hundreds of academicians, and it's come as a ray of hope for all of us. I would just like to end this with a small poem. मत पूछिए कि शिक्षक कौन है, आपके प्रश्न का उत्तर आपका मौन है। शिक्षक ना पद है, न पेशा है, न व्यवसाय है, न ही गृहस्थी चलाने वाली कोई आय है। शिक्षक सभी धर्मों से ऊंचा धर्म है। गीता में उपदेशित माँ फलेशु वाला धर्म है। शिक्षक एक प्रवाह है, मंजिल नहीं राह है। शिक्षक पवित्र है, महक फैलाने वाला इत्र है। शिक्षक स्वयं जिज्ञासा है, खुद कुआं है पर प्यासा है। वह डालता है चांद सितारों तक को तुम्हारी झोली में। वह बोलता है बिल्कुल तुम्हारी बोली में। वह कभी मित्र है तो कभी माँ है, कभी पिता का हाथ है। साथ ना रहते हुए भी ताउम्र हमारे साथ है। न नायक, वह नायक है खलनायक तो कभी विदूषक बन जाता है। तुम्हारे लिए न जाने कितने मुखौटे लगाता है। इतने मुखौटों के बाद भी वह संभव है, वह संभाव है, क्योंकि यही तो उसका सहज स्वभाव है। यही तो उसका सहज स्वभाव है। Thank you so much. Thank you.
Superb, Namrata. I am so glad and feeling so proud that today on International World Day we are speaking in the languages we have in India. We are speaking in Hindi. We have Sanskrit shlok in between, something from Gita. That is really superb. Thanks to all of you. We have Miss Alka Mule. आप कुछ बोलेंगे? Yes, Miss Alka.
Yes. I say thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
And congrats for all the winners. Okay. And bye.
Thank you and congrats to you as well. Mr. Sudhir Kulkarni.
Preeti ma'am, can I come in?
Yes, please, you may.
Good evening to all of you. I am joining this session. These sessions since last one, and I found these activities.
Yes. So congratulations to all of us.
Just a second. Just a second. After Mr. Sudhir, who is this? I cannot see your face. Khushbu. Khushbu after Mr. Sudhir. Yes.
I found these things are really interesting in these testing times, and we are not only entertaining this way, but we are just educating ourselves by such activities. And I hope that all the winners who have got awards would do their good things in the future. And thank you once again to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sudhir. Yes, Ms. Khushbu, you may come in now.
Yes, so first of all, congratulations to all of us. Teachers are rocking, and I think we deserve all of this love and all these awards and all this appreciation. So thank you to your team for making us so happy, because I think that happiness of teachers is very, very important. You know, if teachers are lively and happy, it is going to pass on to our children. So thank you for making us happy. And on that note, in fact, I would like to invite all the winners of today for a fun session with me, where I play games and we can have a Fantakshari session and something to just carry on this bond that we have created today, and to just make us happy. So of course I will get in touch with Prasad sir and we can take this forward. And all teachers are amazing, and thank you for the appreciation, and let's continue to rock our education system. Thank you.
Definitely, Ms. Khushbu. Thank you. We have Ms. Reshma Raskar. Would you like to speak something, Ms. Reshma? Ms. Falguni Shah? Yeah, yes, Reshma Raskar. Would you like to speak? Please unmute yourself. You're on mute. Ms. Reshma, we cannot hear you. Please unmute yourself. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, now we can.
Yeah. I thank P Square International for acknowledging my work as a professor in an engineering college. During these tough times, it was definitely very difficult to deal with the students, especially related to not only related to the academics, but also some issues like the students staying in remote areas and their issue is not having any digital devices with them. So it was really a tough time to deal with that. But some monetary benefits, with some out of the way things to be done, so that we give that education to that level, to the remote areas. The students are really will be able to work out towards that and give their studies the time. So thanks for a lot for acknowledging the work once again. Thank you.
Thank you. Miss Falguni Shah, would you like to speak something?
Yeah, ma'am. I would like to thank Prasad sir, and I would like to thank Joy ma'am. Thank you very much.
Miss Forum Vagani, yes, who is this?
Rupavati here.
Yes, Rupavati.
Yes.
Sure.
Good evening, everyone, and congratulations to all the dear teachers. And Prasad sir, thank you so much. P Square International, thank you so much for acknowledging our efforts. Feel very obliged, very happy. But more than for myself, I am very happy for my student, Tanishka Shringarpure. She was my student. And I feel so very happy, so very proud of her, and share the same platform with her, like a teacher and a student, and the student who has become a very popular teacher now. So I, every day on daily basis, I just listen to her, like she's doing so well, so good. So as a teacher, I'm very proud of her. So I feel I have achieved my goal. Like my student is now looking forward to help the students out over there and make their future better, bright. So Tanishka, this is for you. Very happy, Tanishka. You have made.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Make me proud.
Rupa Miss, I would like
yes,
to
sir.
add
Yes,
for
you
that.
can add. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is
Definitely.
Harshvardhan Bhagat here. I guess 3-4 years back, I was teaching her in 10th standard. And now I'm feeling so proud to share an award with her at the same platform.
Exactly.
So it being, it's a very nice feeling when you see your student going beyond your level. And
Yes,
that
I'm getting
pride-
goosebumps, sir.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm just feeling so happy about it. I was always telling Tanishka, you will do it really well, but she's beyond our imagination.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Learn from the best. Thank you.
Love you. God bless you, dear. And Prasad sir, thank you once again. And all the teachers, congratulations once again. Get to know everyone, your achievements. So a bit extra motivated actually. Thank you.
Thank you. I must say Tanishka is very lucky to share the screen with the teachers whom they have, who have taught her. That's very nice.
Yes, yes.
Miss Sakshi Sawant. Okay, Miss Nivedita Mohite. I guess we are done. I'm so sorry. The names on the Zoom screen keep on moving. So if now I would like all of you to, those who have not got a chance, they can come forward and speak something.
Ma'am, this is Sadhna here. May I?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Congratulations, first of all. Thank you, P Square, giving us opportunity. And I would like to thank my principal having trust in me and giving us such a good platform where I can prove myself. As there is a quote said by Chanakya, शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता, निर्माण और प्रलय दोनों उसी की गोद में पलते हैं. So this was the platform where this award will be a definitely a motivation where we will more Nirman we can promise to the our future upcoming kids. We are definitely going to make a big Nirman, what we can say. And yes, thank you so much. I am really blessed to have such a good teachers and the good platform which is given by P Square International. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Miss Aarti Bachija.
Yes. Hello, good evening, everyone. Square International for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, Prasad. Thank you so much, Joy ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity and always being there for us in every step, for always guiding and supporting us. Thank you so much. I just want to say one line that real heroes do not wear capes. They do not wear capes, they teach. So there's a big round of applause to all the teachers present here. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Miss Jasmine Matre?
Yes.
Yes, Miss Jasmine.
Okay. I would like to thank P Square for giving me this platform as an award function on this International Teachers Day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And I'm feeling very happy on this day. My heartful gratitude to all the teachers and all the people present over, all the teachers present over here. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all the teachers.
Thank you.
Thank
Anybody
you.
else? Miss Saraswati Kamble? Okay. Anybody else who would like to speak?
Ma'am, good evening,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैं सरस्वती
Yes, yes, Miss Saraswati. Yes, please speak.
मुझे मैम एक्चुअली यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम, ये बहुत एक नया अनुभव था। मतलब ये जो हमारा सिचुएशन था वैश्विक महामारी के कारण हम जो डिप्रेशन में मतलब जा रहे थे, लेकिन जैसे प्रसाद सर ने और कुलकर्णी मैम ने हमें जिस तरह से सेशंस दिए हैं वो बहुत ही मतलब अप्रिशिएबल है और बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम। एक मतलब शिक्षक जो बोलते हैं ना कि वो आजीवन सीखने की प्रक्रिया जो हम बोलते हैं वो यहाँ से मतलब वो सिद्ध हुई है कि हम आजीवन सीख रहे हैं। तो इसके लिए मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ प्रसाद सर को और यहाँ पे जितने भी टीचर्स उपस्थित है उन सबको मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you. Anybody else? Anybody else would like to come forward? Yes, Miss Anita. We cannot hear you. Anybody else? Okay, then I would like to thank one of my teacher present here, Reshma ma'am. मैं हमेशा उनको बोलती हूँ रेशमा मैम आप क्या वैदिक मैथ सिखाते हो. शी रियली टीचेस सो वेल. मैं आज तक वो कंसेप्ट्स नहीं भूली हूँ. But not only physically in the classroom, even when if I call her any time to ask doubts, she's always available to answer. Thank you so much, Reshma ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And the thing is, like, we also require as a teacher, we also want some good students to with us. So when we are teaching, if learners are good, then we enjoy the teaching also. So
yes, it's vice
that
versa,
is the
right?
thing. Yes.
Right, right.
So
Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else or are we done? So Mr. Prasad, over to you.
I have no words. I do not know. You don't need to thank me so much because you have been doing such a wonderful job. Without you, we all wouldn't have actually been. I would like to thank my teachers also. Without them, I wouldn't be here. And you all have been doing such a wonderful job during these hard times. Really appreciable. And I don't need to be thanked. In fact, it's a privilege for me to be with all of you, to share this platform and to hear from you. And the kind of hard work all of you have been putting in, tremendous, tremendous. And whatever appreciation you received, whatever award you received, it's really very less for the kind of work that you do. Really very well. So keep up with the good work, keep working, and you don't need any motivation. All of you are self-motivated, so you don't need to be needing motivation from anybody, and you don't need to be depressed. So please continue your good work. Wonderful. You are the only warriors who are actually working 18 hours or 19 hours through the day, teaching your students right from grade senior KG to grade 12 and handling all the tantrums and problems of the parents and of the children. Wonderful job. Keep it up. Take care. And thank you, Sunila ma'am, for being with us throughout and always supporting us and accepting our invitation whenever we call you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take care. Take care.
Thank you.
It was a real pleasure. Thank you. Most welcome and really wishing you all the best, especially with Vedic Maths. Our students also enjoyed this session so much. So a big thank you to you and to the entire team and Preeti, of course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Preeti, and thank you
Yes,
to all
thank
the support staff. You've been wonderful. Reshma, Renuka, everybody, Sanket, all of them, you've been wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you, Preeti, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. The pleasure is mine.
Yeah, so
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
we close this session because we've got another one coming up.
Yes.
Yeah, so can we?
Yes, we should.
Thank you.
Thanks to
ma'am.
all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful time ahead. Congratulations once again. Thanks. Bye.
Yes, good day to you, everybody.
Bye.
I'll be ending the meeting.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you.